Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to create a daily random number in Google Sheets that only changes once per day and then stays locked all day. Perfect for daily challenges, random picks, or rotating assignments. Click a cell and enter this formula. You can copy this from the description. Press enter. Let me tell you how this works. RANDBETWEEN generates a random number. Today forces the formula to recalculate only when the date changes, so the number stays the same all day and automatically changes tomorrow. We have options to change the range. Want a different range? Use this formula. Just replace the numbers. That's it. A random number that refreshes daily, without scripts or buttons. Formula is in the description. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more sheet tips.